Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the languages which are currently available here. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick French, for example. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, of course, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, the French language, in my case, of course, has been applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. It is because it is on the first position. So we have to switch the positions, and we can do it just by tapping on the particular language and dragging it on the very first place. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, so in my case, French. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we can mark the language, so I will pick French again and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.